Happy morning to all. How are you? So I hope you are all fine. And today we are going to see one new chapter. I'll say the topic name. So before that, we have to recapitulate the previous lesson, what we taught. Okay, for 2 minutes we'll recapitulate that. First one, in the last chapter, it is called fraction. In that fraction, what are the things we studied? Can you remember? Okay, I'll explain one by one. First, fraction introduction. That means what is the definition and some basic figures representing fractions. And then we move to types of fraction. What is a proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. And then how to convert improper into mixed and mixed into improper. Then after, how to represent the fraction on the number line. That also we have studied. And then how to compare the fractions. Okay, so whether it is greater or lesser, or whether it is equal or unequal. So we have compared the fractions, and then after, finally we have to adding and subtracting the fraction, right? They gave one either proper or improper fraction. Proper fraction also we know how to add, how to subtract, and improper fraction also we know, and mixed fraction also we know how to add and how to subtract. Okay, so these are the things we have studied in our previous lesson, fraction. So today we are going to see that the topic name is called decimals. Okay, so look at the figure, decimal, tenth. Okay, so decimal, generally first we have to know decimal. What is meant by decimal? See, decimal, have you heard this word? Decimal point, decimal. If you are asked to your brother or sister, those persons are studying in higher standard, so they know what is that decimal. So we are not representing the whole number. Generally we know that natural number, whole number, and integers. So these are the things we know. We are studied in that first chapter, right? And they didn't say 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.4. This kind of point number they didn't say, right? So here the decimal, which means when we write the number with the use of decimal point, that means one dot, 0 dot one number. For example, 0.5 or 0.4. So this is the way of we are representing as decimal. It is not considered to be a whole number. Lesser than 1, we can take it as lesser than 1, and lesser than 1 numbers we are saying in terms of decimal numbers. Okay, okay, can we move further? Okay, so in decimal, tenths, hundredths, percent, thousandth. So last one, look at the word th, right? Tenths. Okay, for example, I will say one number 321. Okay, so you can say the last digit is single digit, it means 1th digit, right? Unit digit, we are saying it is unit digit. And then move, if we are moving that right to left. Okay, right to left means, and then next digit, it is called the 10th digit. 10th, not s will come, 10th digit. And then if we are moving further, mean 100th digit. So we are saying 100 digit. Okay, 10, 100. So unit 10, 100. So that means 321. If you are adding 300 plus 20 plus 1, we say it as 321. So what happened if we put point, and then after, if you are moving right side, that means left side to right side, when we are saying, for example, 10.12. okay, 10.12 means, so decimal point after first digit what will come? 10.1. So first digit 1, second digit 2, so 10.12. So 10.12. So we have to read as 10.12. We should not read as 10.12. We should not read. Okay, anyway, what is meant by tenths? Here we are going to see that decimal point after. See here, as we know that 1 centimeter, you know that if you take scale means 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, right? 10 millimeter, which consists of 1 centimeter. Okay. So if we take opposite side, for example, 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, otherwise 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. What happened to 1 millimeter? So 1 millimeter means this 10 will go that side. That means here it will be multiplication. If it will go that side means it will become division. So 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay. So how, sir? I cannot understand, sir. Just okay. I will explain one more. Okay. If you are having scale on scale, that is 1 feet, right? That scale 30 centimeter scale, right? So in that 30 centimeter is equal to 1 scale, right? 30 centimeter. So likewise, if you are seeing in that tailor and all, they are using that big scale. So that scale is equal to 1 meter scale. They are saying 1 meter. That 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, right? So that means 100 small 1 centimeter, which we are composed together, we will get one huge 1 meter scale. So that means small quantity, if we collect it together and we put it as the one whole means we will get one big unit, right? Small units. So how can we write a big unit in terms of small unit? Okay, for example, 100 centimeter, which is equal to 1 meter. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter, same way. So 1 centimeter equal to how many times of meter will come? So for that this 100 will go down. So 1 by 100 meter. So anyway, so here you just look at 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, so 1 centimeter 10 mm means, so 1 mm, so 1 millimeter means this 10 will go that side, it will go division. So 1 by 10 centimeter. If it is 1 0 means we have to make 1 point. So 0.1 centimeter. That is called, we call it as 1 by 10th. Okay, 1/10. Okay. Hence first number after the decimal represent the 10th part. So whenever any decimal point you have seen, so after the decimal point the first digit is 10th digit, 10th. Okay. Next one hundredths. Okay. Next one thousandth. Okay. This kind of will go. Okay. Anyway, I will say that number. See, look at this. Here 0.5. So here this is the point, decimal point. So see, if we forget that 0 and what's called 0 and this point means we say it as 5 only. That is a natural number or whole number, whatever you can take. Okay. But here 0 after 1 point and then 5 mean this kind of number is called decimal point. This decimal, the decimal numbers, this kind of decimal numbers, decimal point after what is your first digit, that is your 10th digit. Okay, that is called 1 by 10th. Okay. Okay, see here. So how to represent the decimals on the number line, sir? So before we have seen how to represent the fraction in the number line. Generally we note the denominator, and based on the denominator we have to split it as equal, and then we represent the fraction on the number line. Likewise, how to denote a decimal number in the number line? See here, to represent the decimal on the number line, we have to divide the gap of number into 10 equal parts. The decimal source, the 10th part of the number. Okay. So we have to split it as 10 equal parts, and the given number we can write. If we did one example means you can understand better. Okay. See here. Okay. So here I will say one number. This is called 34.7, right? So 34.7. So this is 1th digit, right? This is called 1th digit. That's called unit digit. 4 into 1, 4 only. And you know, you studied that place value, face value, right? Okay. This is called 4 ones. This is called 3 tens. That means 3 into 10, 30. But here, what is the difference? Here tens. Here 10th. TH will come. TH, yes. This is only, yes only will come. Okay. So decimal point after what is your first digit, that is called 10th digit. Understand? Okay. See, for example, see here, show that 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8 on the number line. So just look at the decimal number. Anything will exceed that more than 1. Here they didn't give, but anyway we can represent in 1 point something, 2 point something. So point after some digit will come means we can say it as a decimal number. Okay, 0.3, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8 we have to represent on the number line. You know one thing, 0.3, 0.5, 0.8, which will be where it will be occur between 0 and 1, right? Because it will be less than 1. 0.8 will be less than 1. 0.5 also less than 1. 0.3 also less than 1. But anyway, it will be greater than 0, right? 0 after 0.1, 0.1 after 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. So likewise, if you take centimeter scale means you just look at 0, 1. In between that is called totally that 10 digit is there, right? First one 0.1, small that line. Then 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. 0.5 only they will give one thick line, right? So 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9 and 0.10. Okay. So this kind of they will give. Okay. So 0.10 that is called we have to take it as 1. Okay. Anyway, see here the solution. All the three numbers are greater than 0, right? As I said that greater than 0 and less than 1. That means it will be occurred between 0 and 1, right? So 0 and 1 we have to split as 10 equal parts. Okay. See, look at here. So here 0, here 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Including that line 10. So totally 10 small lines are there. That means we represent, first we have to put one line, then after we have to split it as 10 equal lines. Okay. So first one 0, last one 1. So next 0 after next digit is 0.1. So after that one 0.2. After that one 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. That's called 0. The 10 we cannot say. Okay, 10 here 10 by 10 that is called 1. So how sir we can say, because I said after the decimal point the first digit is called 10th digit, that means 1 by 10. So see here 0 by 10 it is called 0. So 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10. So 1 by 10 means here how many 0 is present? 1 0. Here also how many 0? 1 0. So all the only 1 0 present. For 1 0 we can cancel and we have to make 1 point. 1 0 means we have to make 1 point and then 1 digit, the given digit 0.1. So here 1 0 cancel, this means 1 point and the same digit 0.2, and here 1 0 cancel 0.3, 0 cancel 0.4, 0.5. So likewise it will go. So we represent 0.3, 0.5 and 0.8. Okay. So understood? So this is a way of representing decimal point on the number line. So now they gave one fraction. How we convert the fraction into decimal? Okay. So anyway, it is easy to write the fraction with the 10 as a denominator, right? So if they gave one fraction means if we convert the denominator as 10 means easily we can make it as point, right? Understand? So but if the denominator is not 10 means we have to make that denominator should be 10. Okay. So otherwise we can directly divide, that also one method. Okay. So anyway, I will solve one problem how the fraction has converted into decimal. Okay. So first one, see, convert 12 by 5, it is one improper fraction, and 3 by 2, it is also improper fraction. So this improper fraction we are going to convert as decimal form. Okay. See here, first what I did, so 12 by 5 I have written. So just multiple with the 2, so that only you will get as 10, right? So without multiplying also you can do. Anyway, if I multiply 2 means I will get denominator as 10. So after getting denominator 10 means 1 0 1 point. So 0 point, that is called, see here 1 0 1 point here. So 2.4. See likewise same way here 3 by 2, right? So if we multiplied any number means we will get 10. So only possible 5. So here 5, here same way you have to multiple. So 3 5s are 15, 2 5s are 10. For 1 0, okay, here 1 0, here 1 0 from right side to left. Okay, so here 1 point you can make. So here if we make means 1.5 will come. Okay, understand? So this is the way of converting fraction as decimal. Okay, in the following slide we will look at few more problems also.